If you are using your Canva account just to create social media graphics, there is so much more that it can do for you. So today we are going to look at how it can help your emails to stand out. So from your home screen, you can have a look along the top and you will see this email button. If you don't see it, you can go into create and then email, but it should be along this top line. So if you don't already know, Canva organizes these buttons in an order that it thinks you're going to be using them. So the more you use something, the closer it will get to the front of the queue. So let's go and create an email. So if you are sending out a regular email newsletter, maybe you've got workshops coming up or something like that, then you can create this within Canva and then you can send it out to your subscribers. So I know that you can also design within things like MailerLite and MailChimp and all the other mail providers. But this is a really good way of getting a template that you can use over and over and over again and get it out there quickly, saving you some time. So we've clicked on to design a new email and it is saying drop an element here or click to start typing. So you absolutely can just type an email if you want to. But I would say if you're going to do that, you might as well just do it within the mail program and uh, not use Canva because Canva's to make it pretty, isn't it? So we are going to do a little bit of design. So we have got templates. We can search for our templates. So if we wanted to promote upcoming workshops or something, then we could say we've got upcoming workshops. Um, but we can also use AI to design something for us. So if we go, just make sure you saw where I was going with that. So if we go into our templates and we are going to search for um, upcoming workshops, and then instead of going to search for the searching the templates that already exist, we're going to generate something new. So if we click on to generate, da, 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 and AI will do this for us. So there you go. It has created a template where it has got four boxes, some writing at the top. So let's put that into our email. So now we can change this into our brand colors. We can obviously change what the writing says because it's written it for you, but you will want to have your own words probably. You can then insert your images here, how to register. You can say your organization, your privacy policy and all of that if you want to, how people book. You might want to include a link to book, which you can do within Canva. So you could just write that. And then when you have designed your email, when you think it looks beautiful, you can then send a test email. So you send a test email to your email address and there, so it will drop it into your inbox as if anybody has sent it. So you will be able to see what it looks like when it lands in somebody's inbox before it goes anywhere. So I think that's really important. Sometimes it can look brilliant on the screen, and then when it gets into an inbox, it's like, oh, that doesn't look as pretty. So it's a really good idea just to send that test email. And then when you've got your final um, design that you're happy with, you can then go to share it. So again, you've got the option to send the test email here if we want to. Or we can go, if we're using Outlook, then we can go straight into Outlook and it will put it into an email, an email. That's what it is. It'll put it into an email. Or we can download it, um, And again, it's given us the option. So if we download it as HTML, then it will display those images for us without anybody having to click on display the images. Or you can download it as a PDF if you want to. So if you've got clickable links and things like that in there, then I would say definitely have HTML. So we do it as HTML and then download, and then we can easily upload it into MailerLite or MailChimp or whatever we are using to get it sent out to our mailing list. So if you're not already using this to create your emails, definitely have a look at how it can save your time. If you think about this, you could have upcoming workshops for June, and then we can change it into July, and then we can change it into August. So it's so simple that we could have this template that we just modify each month if we've got ongoing workshops, um, and make it easy for ourselves. We would be able to just slot images in, be able to slot the words in, and get it sent out to the people that need to see it. So there we go. Go and have some fun with creating beautiful looking emails.